Okay, here's question 4 on the higher non-calculator paper. This question is worth 4 marks and occupies most of the page. They ultimately want you to draw a graph, but if we read the question, we'll see what they're asking first of all. Part A says, complete the table of values for y is equal to 2x plus 5. Now, should know what that means. Y is equal to 2x plus 5 means 2 times whatever x is and then add 5 to it. 2 times whatever x is and then add 5 to it. So we need to complete that table first of all, and 2 marks for that. So these are the possible values of x: minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. I'm going to always start from the positive side and work my way backwards. I'll show why in a bit. So starting with 2, 2 times 2 is 4, add 5 gives me 9. So that value there is going to be 9. Then go on to 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7. Now I've got 3 values there. We go on to the minus 1, or I could actually look and see what the pattern is. Because this is a straight line graph, they're all going to be changing by the same amount. So if I look from here, 9 take away 2 gives me 7, 7 take away 2 gives me 5, 5 take away 2 is going to give me 3. Right? Or you could have used substitution just like we did, minus 1, so 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 5 is 3. And some people find that a bit more challenging, but I've completed the table, it's all right, and there is 2 marks for that so far. Now I need this table in the next part of the question. In the next part of the question, I need to plot these points. Now, okay, so can't see all the values, but you can see the y values here. So when x is 2, y is 9. When x is 2, y is 9, and I go all the way up to there, and I'm going to put crosses at each of those points. When x is 1, y is 7. When x is 1, I'll bring that down a bit so it's clearly visible. Yeah. Okay, so when x is 1, y is 7. When x is 1, y is 7. So it's that point there, and again another cross. When x is 0, y is 5. When x is 0, y is 5. So there's that one. When x is minus 1, y is 3. When x is minus 1, y is 3. And finally, when x is minus 2, y is 1. When x is minus 2, y is 1. So I've plotted all my points, and I can see that they're pretty much in a straight line. I need to put a ruler down there, and notice I've used a pencil throughout for this. Right? This is just in case you make a mistake. You can rub it off. If you do it in pen and make a mistake, you've spoiled the whole graph, and you can't change it. You've lost all chance of getting any marks for this. Notice I've extended the line out, right, above and below, so that indicates that the line is going on forever in both directions. Alright, there are 2 marks for this part of the question as well, so 4 marks altogether. Pretty straightforward. Once you've done the first bit and completed the table, all you need to do is to sensibly plot the points, use a pencil for this, and make sure you get full marks on it.